Hello, good morning. This is your second video lecture in chemistry. We are going to talk about molar mass, or I'm going to teach you how to solve molar mass. This will be a short video because this will be easy. I will just be giving you some examples and I will be giving you exercises to be submitted on Thursday. So, this is it. Number one. For example, ma'am, ano ba ang molar mass? Molar mass is the total mass of a molecule of a substance. For example, total masses of the individual atoms present in a substance. So, for example, I am going to give you a methane. This is a methane. Tama? CH4. If I'm going to ask you kung ilang klaseng atoms ang nandyan, ilan lang sasagot ninyo? Is it 5 or is it 2? It's 2. There are 2 kinds. Tandaan nyo ha? 2 kinds of atoms. But how many atoms are there? There are 5 atoms kasi bibilangin mo yung individual atoms. Now, pag sinabi nating molar mass, we are going to solve for the masses of all the individual atoms. Ano ang gagamitin natin dito? We are going to use the mass number. So, as you watch this video, you can open your periodic table of elements para pagtitignan natin. Okay, so tingnan natin si CH4. See? I-identify mo kung ilang carbon ang meron. Ilan? Iisa. Ano ang kanyang mass number? Ikunin nyo na yung naka-round. Okay? I-round nyo na agad yung mga mass number na ilalagay ninyo para hindi na kayo mahirapan. So, ang carbon mo ay 12. Okay? Ang hydrogen mo naman ay ilan? 4. Times, anong kanyang mass number? 1. So, 12 times 1, 12. 4. Okay? So, ano ang kanyang molar mass? 16. Ang magiging unit ng molar mass niyo ay grams per mole. Ay, grams per mole. Pa natin ng onte. What if bibigyan ko kayo ng calcium nitrate? Okay? Calcium nitrate. Maman, bakit kaging calcium nitrate? Tandaan natin na si calcium ay 2 plus at saka si nitrate ay negative 1. So, if you're going to crisscross that, si 2 plus ay mapupunta kay nitrate, kaya naman CaNO3. But you cannot just write 2 here. You have to use a parenthesis. So, this is a calcium nitrate. Ngayon, you're going to solve for the molar mass. First, you have to identify all the atoms na meron doon. You have calcium, you have nitrogen, and you have oxygen. Now, ika-count mo kung ilan. Ilan sila? Ilang calcium? You have 1. How many nitrogen? Ma'am, kasali ba ito? Yes, ito times mo. Kasi nakasali siya sa parenthesis. So, how many nitrogen atoms are there? There are 2. Okay? So, si oxygen naman, ilang oxygen atoms ang meron? So, 2, this is multiplication. 2 times 3, this is 6. Now, you have to identify mali yung nilagay ko. You have to identify the molar masses of these atoms and then you multiply. Si calcium ay 40, si nitrogen ay 14, si oxygen ay 16. Tama ba? Yes, this is 16. Okay, so you're just going to multiply it 40, 28, and 16 times 6. I-solve nyo na. Tama ba? You have 96. Kung ito-total mo yan, 96 plus 28 plus 40, you have 164 grams per mole. So, this is your final answer. Dali lang, tama? And, ano pa ba? Bibigyan ko naman kayo ng isa pang halimbawa. For example, gagamit naman tayo ng organic compound. Meron tayong acetic acid. Your acetic acid is written like this: CH3, CO2, H. This is your acetic acid. Again, same rules applied. C, you have to identify all the atoms. Ano ba? H, and you have your O. Now, you have to count kung ilang carbon. How many carbons are there? Say 1, 2. Okay, 2. How many hydrogen? Ilang hydrogen to? Tatlo. And 4. So, there are 4 hydrogens. And how many oxygens are there? You have 2. Your carbon is 12. This is the tandaan nyo to ha, this is the atomic mass. Pagalingan to maghanap. Okay? Titingnan nyo lang to sa periodic table ninyo. So, your hydrogen is 1 and your oxygen is, this is 16. Okay? Kung nagkamali man ako sa mga number ng atomic mass, so wala akong periodic table dito, i-check nyo na lang. Okay? So, 24, you have 24 here, you have 4, and you have 32. Perfect. 4 plus 4, 6, 8, 58. So, ang molar mass ng acetic acid ay 58 grams per mole. Easy peasy? Ganun lang kadali. Okay, so I think that's it. Simple lang. Basta tignan nyo lang kung yung mga number, yung mga, kung yung mga klase ng atoms na meron siya, and then you just write it down, bilangin nyo kung ilan, and then identify the atomic mass.